March 20th, 2017. 12 p.m. 4100 Glenwood Drive, Charlotte. Padlock renovation. So the grass is going to need to be cut. Bushes need to be trimmed. Got no power to check any appliances. So it's gonna be a large trash out. Furniture, tables, mattresses, beds, miscellaneous items. All needs to be removed. Large trash out. The color appears to be softer tan for the paint. Needs to be checked out prior to paint. We need to touch up the walls where it's needed. We need to trim as well. Bulbs that are missing. Place 1 big, 3 small drip pans whirlpool. Several stains in the carpets may come up. Needs to be checked out. Pillows need to be removed. Small crack in bedroom door needs to be checked out. Peeling under paint needs to be repainted. Sink stopper's not working. It's tight, the seat's loose. We call the bathtub and the sink. Appears to have mildew stains. The bathtub needs to be checked out. The AC filter, not one installed. Appears to be 14 by 20 by 1. The bed needs to be removed. Stickers on the wall need to be removed. More markers on the wall. And that's about it.